All right, so you've been loading up quite a few shot shells. You do have to stop somewhere in the process and go ahead and kind of clean up a little bit. So your primers fall in through a hole that's right here in your press, and they drop down into here in this compartment. I just get a cup and go ahead and just clean everything out. Now, one of the things that I like to do while I'm reloading either shot shell or a metallic load, I'll go ahead and stop probably every 100 to every 50 just to go ahead and clean everything up a little bit. Sometimes you get a little bit of dirt and debris everywhere, and you just want to have a clean station as you're getting everything done. You spend a lot of time doing this. You don't want it to get skunked up by something just because of dirt. As you can see, these get pretty dirty in here. Another thing I like to do too is I'll go ahead and take that priming cap, the plate right here. Go ahead and get this up. You can see a lot of nastiness on there. So what I'll usually do is just get a microfiber towel and just go ahead and kind of wipe everything off a little bit. It's good for your press, it's good for your ammo, and prolongs the life of everything too. And go ahead and give everything a little bit of a wipe down. And if you want, go ahead and zap it a little bit with some compressed air. All you got to do is line that up with that pin that's down there, and there you go. Oh, got a little bit more dirt in here. Wipe this up a little. So sometimes it pays to take a little bit extra step to kind of stop the process. Go ahead and clean it up a bit, and gives you better loads in the end, in my opinion. From my experience, it's always been the best way to go. Now, when I'm making precision brass or precision rounds, I'll usually stop probably every 20 to go ahead and clean everything up, and then do it again. But with shot shell, it's probably about every 100, so not too bad.